How much affiliate commission should you give on Skool? First, I have been on the platform for the past years, and I now work with a community making 20K plus, where affiliates is the main driver. And the main thing you have to decide is, are you doing a service? So are you doing one-on-one work? Are you building out something for someone? Or is it more of an info product? So some sort of course, some sort of consumable, something that they can get without taking much of your time. If it's a service, then I would probably keep it to 20 to 10% because 50% is goddamn crazy for a service, because then you're losing out on a lot of money when that contributes to a lot of your time, right? But on an info product, like 50% is pretty chill, depending on if you have the right things in place, which we'll get to. So, first off, it's 10%, 20% if you're going service. Depends on how much you want affiliates to drive what you do and what you're comfortable with, really. There's not much else on that side. It's pretty chill. And then on the other side, it's like for the 40%, 50% for info products, you want to think about profit margins. You want to think about the effort per person, and you want to think about the wrong people. So you don't want to bring in the wrong people. And if the effort per person is pretty low on the course side, that's pretty good. And also, like, if it's a $500 product, then 50% is quite significantly more than 40%. So it's like, is the 10% actually worth it? Because people are probably going to feel good enough with the 40% in that case, right? So you kind of have to think about all of that. Okay, bye.